In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fold this 8-pointed transforming ninja star. All you need to make this transforming ninja star are 8 pieces of small square paper. I am using sticky notes and I also used sticky notes to make this ninja star. So first we're going to take one piece of paper and we're going to fold this corner to this corner. Then open it, and now we will do the same thing on this side. And now we're just going to fold this edge to this edge. Like this. Now we're going to open it and we're going to fold this edge to this center crease. And now we're going to fold the paper in half. Now we have this corner right over here. We're just going to push this corner like this. So now we have a piece right over here. And now we have to make 7 more. So I'm going to fast forward this part, but if you need help you can just skip to this time of the video. Now I'm going to show you how to connect these pieces to make the ninja star. So first we're going to take 2 pieces over here and we're going to just slide it in like this, so this corner touches that point, like this. And now we have these 2 flaps over here. We're just going to tuck these flaps inside like this, to tuck these flaps inside like this, and now you can slide them and then take another piece and then repeat the same thing. You have to just put it over here, align the papers like this. We're just going to put this flap inside like this and then repeat this step. So now I'm going to fast forward. Okay, so now we're going to put the last piece in. So we're just going to put this part inside like this. Just slide it inside like this, so this point touches this point like this, and then we are just going to put this inside like this, so this point touches that point like this, and then repeat like normal. You have to just tuck these in like this, and then we have to do it over here also. We have to just tuck these flaps in like this and then repeat on the other side. This is a bit hard step, so you may need to be careful. Like this. So now your ninja star is finished. So all you need to transform it is just push it like this, and then now it has transformed into the ninja star. So if you want to watch more origami tutorials like this, you can subscribe over here and turn on the bell notifications and watch my latest video over here, and watch all my shorts in this playlist. So yes, see you guys next time. Bye.